Let's head up the mountain. It's a pretty twisty little road up this mountain, but it's also a crappy road last time I rode it, and it's a little bit wet, so I'm gonna still have to take it easy. Wherever it's at, it's up here somewhere. That sign there. It's about the best sign that you see as a motorcyclist. Twisty roads. There's also a lot of switchback curves on this too, so it's not like you can go all that fast. So like right here's one. Look at that. Steep switchback. Now see, here's another one. Gravel on the sides. Probably a bad idea to use both lanes. Not something I'd normally do. Just gonna keep it in second gear all the way up. I know we got the next switchback is really sharp. Catch you off guard if you're not careful. Yeah, right here. Not as bad as that one down there, but the road is like the biggest problem with this one, because this road is just not good quality. I'll have to head up to another place I know of that's like, I think the best roads that you find are going up mountains and stuff like this, because they're just constant left, right, all that kind of great stuff, at least around here. But I know of another one. It's about 45 minutes from my house or so, about that far. And it's a nice one too. It's actually, this is that sharp one I was thinking of, and slick too. Must be where the race starts. But there's that other one that's pretty close to my house. Not that close, about 45 minutes, and it's actually got two different roads that go up the mountain. The one that I'd get to first is the better one. It's a little bit longer, a little more curvy and stuff, steeper too. The other one's a little bit more relaxed, if I do remember correctly, that is. terrible road though, so bumpy and stuff. It's the biggest problem with it, but I mean, luckily I'm pretty solid when it comes to tires and stuff. I've got Michelin Pilot Street radials. They're some pretty good tires, and I just had my forks rebuilt too, so I'm pretty good. So that's it on that road.